Hello, this is Charity Lowe here. I'm going to be showing you how you can make stained glass paintings with using the Vinci Eye App and the DecoArt Stain Glass Paint. Always, first is you're going to want to trace the image that you want to paint using the Vinci Eye App. This app will allow you to look through your phone or tablet to see your drawing surface and your reference photo in real time, making it super easy and quick to get down the proportions just right. The next step is we're going to go over those trace lines with the DecoArt lead paint. I have black, silver, and gold available, but they aren't currently selling any silver paint anymore. So you'll have the choices of black or gold, which is still really pretty to use anyways. I am going to point out one mistake I did. I traced on top of the dry erase markers so that if you flip it over, you will always see the black no matter what you do. So my tip is trace the other side. Look at all these pretty colors you can choose from. Anyways, I'm going to point out a mistake that I did with these paintings, and that is trying to use them just like acrylic paint, spreading it further. But what you're gonna need to do instead is just flood it like you're icing a cookie. You need to have quite a bit of paint on there and then use the toothpick to help bring it to the edges. So yeah, watch my other videos, you'll see some better tutorials for how to fill it in. Anyways, I'm going to give you my step-by-step instructions verbally. Fill it in with paint, just flood it, and then use a toothpick to drag it to the edges and do one section at a time so that it doesn't dry out. When it starts to dry, it will get clumpy, and we do not want that. Even though I didn't do this the proper way, I still think they turned out really well, and I enjoyed making them. What do you think? Will you try this? Please let us know in the comments.